Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Devi Pillai from National Institute of Education, Nanyang Technological University. Today, I'm going to read to you a poem of mine titled Mother Tongue. I speak 3 languages, read in 2 and write in 1. The third, the one I can't read nor write, I quietly cuddle and hold her close. She's my mother. Her name is Malayalam. She resides in my home with my kith and kin. She only speaks behind closed doors, and I don't always understand her. Yet, I look out for her in public spaces, smiling at strangers when I hear that they know her. When I turned 6, Tamil breezed into my life. They said she was my Amma. They said I belonged to her. She was truly easy to love and was always there, sitting side by side 3 others in signboards and forms. Amma still whispers sweet nothings into my ears in my dreams. Then there is English, the language of my thoughts. She was strict and unpredictable, the one I wanted to please the most. She coldly rules my head with an iron fist. Yet, I'm lost without her. It was after all she who cradled me in her arms and held my hand patiently for several months when I first learned to write.